Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Porsche 911 Rally, and so this one is like two in the box. So far wherever I unboxed, and this is not really hard to get as you think. So honestly, don't pay so much to scalpers. And I bought this for 179, which is MRP. Okay, so let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So as I mentioned in the first video, when I showed this cars to you guys, I did see this car in 1:24 version that looked really beautiful. But I prefer not to buy it because I'm not a Porsche fan. I'm a Lamborghini fan. So that is going to be just simply sitting in my attic and it will be collecting dust. Okay, so here it is. So the initial impressions, the casting looks really nice. So as usually can see some scratches on the windshield, and I personally like this things on top of the roof, which is really nice and sets up this car apart from other cars. Even the Lamborghini Sterrato that is supposed to have a tire on top, but maybe they did a casting of the first edition, I guess, so it doesn't have the tire. But the Sparky one did had a tire, which was really nice. Okay, it does have rear view mirrors, which is nice, and the headlights are painted. Okay, that is good. And the logo placement is okay compared to the keychain version because that one was the worst one I ever seen in a Hot Wheels. So the front details here, you can see the grill details and all. This looks really nice. So the chassis is fully plastic, including this part here. You can see the fenders here. All these things are plastic, including this part and exhaust. On top of the exhaust, the bumper and everything is plastic. Only this part here, this is fully metal, including the spoiler here. So the paint job on the side, it looks okay, not best, yeah, not even good, but it looks okay. So they painted the rims to match the car, that looks good. I really wish they did a premium version of this car. I don't know if it exists because in India we don't you know get any premiums, specifically the recent ones. Only the last five, that what is that one, pop culture set only we got, and three among them are not even, it is still in lot of stores, where they didn't even sell it. It is just simply there sitting and collecting dust. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. No, it doesn't roll well, to be honest, but I don't see any wheel wobble. Rear wheel wobbles a little bit, but it is not that noticeable. But it is not fast. It doesn't hit any of the sides here, but still it is not fast. So as a collector's perspective, yeah, you can go ahead and buy this one. So if you are buying this for your kid, if they want to play with it in a track specifically, I don't say it is a good choice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.